All seven principles, each with its various aspects, work together and operate the conditions that govern the consequences of our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Aesthetically depicted by Bradford, each conceptual design visually highlights the core attributes of each principle. Check out all 7 videos in this series. The links are in the description below. Let these fundamental principles, and all their many facets, be a guidepost in your life and your conscious creations of manifestations. Principle number 4, the principle of polarity. Everything is dual. Everything has its poles. Everything has its pairs of opposites. The principle of polarity. To understand polarity is to understand non-dualism, which is to understand the fundamental holism of seemingly apparent opposites. The illusion of duality, by its very nature, is that it's two halves of a whole, which is a return back to unity. Opposites are identical in nature, but differ by degree. All extremes meet, and all paradoxes may be reconciled. The ultimate force is love, as the entire polarity itself. For love is the all of love and fear, light and dark, good and evil, etc. Love is all there is. Fear is the illusion created by the dualistic separation within the ego of the human mind. Ultimately, what is good is what expands consciousness and creates unity, and what is evil is what restricts it and causes division and separation. While the friction of good versus evil is necessary for new growth and development, the more we each choose to shine a light on the dark, the better outcomes we will each experience. Good and bad are value judgments based on personal preferences. What you might think is good, someone else might think is bad, and what you might think is bad, someone else might think is good. These are relative terms, and neither would exist without the other. Whether good, bad, or indifferent, the quality of circumstances one experiences derives from their perspectives about them or their acceptance or denial of them.